Welcome to another video on my Arduino Yun, which is equipped with embedded Linux with the possibility to use USB for data storage, also to enable networking and connect it to electronics and fischertechnik mechatronics. Focus is on data acquisition with data storage, of course, and then copying the data to a computer and get some graphs in mathematical program Octave, which is free. Last time I mentioned that Arduino Yun is no longer available. Well, version 2 is available, but this version has the unfortunate property that after power off it resets back to 2015, so each time I have to set the date to current date and time. Then the data is being captured now as well. So using okay, this one won't work. I'll have to use a different screwdriver. Give some data in the terminal console. And then it should run. And then hopefully the oscilloscope gives some nice information as well. But let's run this. This is maximum or minimum actually. So. And now I remember why it doesn't look. Okay, this is better. Connect the probe to ground. And then it would be very nice if this propeller motor starts running, which it for some reason doesn't do. And I'm used to the fact that I have to help it a bit, but in this case it doesn't do a thing, unfortunately. However, with the settings for the pot meters, I can give it certain values depending on the conditions in the program, and with those conditions I can make a nice graph if possible. So let's go to the software and see how things are going. And well, this is not a very good start, since this motor is not running. So let's give it another try. Hopefully it works now. So and you can see here on the oscilloscope that although see, this is what it looks like, but for some reason the signal on the purple one is not what I expect. Let me put it to another. That is nothing. and this one clearly has a signal. just not a signal that I would expect. Right, this is not funny. Although a very positive signal indicates that the speed is 100%. So what that gives, that's another question. Anyway, here you can see that I have set the date. And let's take a look at Octave, because last time I started using the editor function, so I don't have to repeat my functions each time again. And in the end I figured out that I had made a mistake here. So this is what I used to do, and then ending with this. So this part including this is nice and correct, and let's see if when I do this that actually does work. And it may be talking in riddles, but I need to find out the settings of the potmeter without the zeros, which is caused by this one. This is finding the from let's do it reverse, the other way around. So this is the first column. This is the first column without zeros. And do I have zeros? Yes, lots of them, because right now the data file is being written zeros and not data like it is right now. These are not zeros anymore, the other one was zeros. Going back. This variable is now assigned the value 1000. This is assigned the value in the vector, because this is a vector, where it only has 1001. And going for here, from this vector, I select first the column 1 to 6. So the question is, if I do it like this, will this be alright? Because I used to have this part right here. Okay, another thing that I forgot to do last time was semicolons. Without semicolons you get the immediate input output on screen, and with semicolons you cancel the output, but you put everything in a nice graph. And I also made the mistake before I started to edit that I put everything 4 times in. Not good. Anyway, save file and run. And then I have to go. Syntax error. So, do I get the same syntax error? No. No. So, my idea isn't valid. See, but now I get no graph. So this is still not nice. I have to figure out how to do this exactly. Alright. I am trying to find a solution for this problem that I don't get any plots. So here is an empty plot once again, and here I have the output now for AX, and let me go forward, that's the end of it, and then I want the next one, AX11. So save and run, going here again, forward, answer is 1, or so it says, and yes, AX11 is 1. Alright, so if it is 1, then is this the same? But then from 1 to 6, and that's the point, because this is a range that I need. So let me just say, okay, I remove here the semicolon. Does that matter? I don't know. Save and run. Once again, the figure says nothing, although the figure is now completely different, as you can see here. Forward, forward 1, but I still don't have any line on it. So that's a bit peculiar. Or is it not a line, but is it indeed just a point, which it shouldn't be. So let me do it in another way. Uncomment, and I put the same line that I have here, I put it here, copy, paste, and I do this nicely here. And this should be then AX1, or that is the point, it is AX1. Now that is the tricky stuff. AX1 is this, but here I am using something different. AX1. Let's see whatever happens. And this I should make red to make a distinction between the two. Okay, let's go. Nothing at all. Syntax error. Thought so. Just trying on error. Right, this is somewhere leading to nowhere. Oh wait, I already see. This is one and that's the other. See, now I get a plot. And if I'm correct, which I am not correct, I can't see a plot anywhere. So let me just select the whole field, and I see nothing. So whatever is going on with the plots, whatever I had in mind, this is not the way it should be. This is not working, unfortunately. But that is without a doubt blame for my knowledge. Back to the drawing card. Right, I have changed quite a bit, which results in this graph, which is not to my liking anyway, but it's a start. I did an attempt with Graphics Toolkit. Let's try that one again, which doesn't make much of a difference. And I like the GNU plot version, so I cancel this out. And now I want to cancel everything else for now. So I only keep this at this moment. What does this give? This one. Nice and clean. What's the difference? Well, first of all, if I look right here, I see for the values that are 1001, 1000, or 1000 to 1003, every time the same. However, that's not what I want. I want just every value that is seemingly 1000, so that goes up. Then, next step, 1001, which is this one. And I color it green. Nice and easy. That's all. However, alright, let's make it slightly different. Let's put a plus, no, not here. Let's put a plus. And immediately it says, okay, no such thing. Oh wait, maybe, just maybe, this would help. No. Just an intermediate test. No. So, okay, my apologies to colorblind people. Yeah, alright. This is blue. Then, this one out. Also only blue. Unless there is some, there used to be in previous test a red line over the x-axis. So where has it gone? I don't know. Let me now test it. this one. And now you get blue and red over each other. At least I think that it should be understood like that. 8002. And it's not completely red, it's bluish red, so I think that would be it. Last but not least, I hope I incorporate this one, and it's gone. No, it's not gone. Now, only now I see a yellow line in here. However, I have to zoom in. Why do I have to zoom in? Because I want to see everything. Let me also enlarge the whole thing. Alright, let me get back to this one. Edit command. So if I do this, what value do I get? 0 to 100 and 0 to 200. Alright. I enable everything again. What do I get? Okay, interesting. So I get red is blue and I get yellow. Is this what I want? Not quite, because going back to the terminal, I want this being dealt with, and I want this being dealt with, and right now it only does one column and not 6, because that was the reason that I had here 1, 2, 6, and that is what it seems not to do. So let me just put these back in. No. Alright. Now oh, right, hold on. Quote missing. So this has what result? None in particular. Okay. With this one, because I read somewhere that the colors would be better, but here is yellow, here is some reddish blue or bluish red, but it's still not what I like. Okay, back to the electronics part. I am not going to change anything with the code. The code is what it is right now. Of course there is room for improvements, and I can cancel out all the commented out which were wrong, but let me focus on this one. I want to have everything run nicely, and so far that is not really managing. So this is working nice, connecting, that is working nicely now, except why is that motor going wrong? And this one, which I don't understand. It's continuously plus, but that shouldn't be. And what I notice now, oh wait, let me give some input. A lot of input. Okay, so this runs good, this doesn't. And what bothers me is that this LED is not doing the thing. So is there a wiring somewhere wrong? Not that I can see. Because here you see a nice burning LED, and here you don't. Okay, another thing is, of course, this NTC and that NTC. How do you get measurements? Well, I don't have enough probes, unfortunately. Well, there are 4 maximum. Alright, and the remaining culprit of this switch, this little button that keeps popping out. And if I press carefully, it does work, and there it goes again. So let it be for now. But the fact remains, why is this line so 100% while it does not run at all? If I change the time base, and it's now 10 microseconds, 2 milliseconds, and even now I would have had see the lower periods like I see them here, but I don't. So that doesn't make sense at all. Something is not quite right. Right, what to do about it? Not quite sure. And time is running out fast now. Very fast. So I'll have to wrap up. Which means in this case that Octave is not to my satisfaction yet. Maybe I'm doing things completely wrong, but I'll have to find out. One motor that doesn't do what it should do, and some more components. As with all my videos, go with the flow, see whatever happens. No script. And as said, that's it for now. No solutions, but continuing problems. So going with the flow means also that you run into unexpected problems. For now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And please show your support by making a small donation via either PayPal or Wired. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. More information under this video. You can also find the URL of my website, address of my website, the name of it. Yeah, this is to be continued. So thanks for watching again, and bye bye.